Okay, this is the trade I took this morning. Nice, quick trade. Nice to be done early in the morning. Was in and out at 9:53, so that was nice. 1 to 1. Let me go to the higher time frame first, just to show what I was looking at. So the daily is still bullish because we have not broken structure yet, and we're inside a daily fair value gap. Weekly is bullish as well. 4 hour did a decent job of sweeping this low, and we were inside a 4 hour fair value gap. However, the 4 hour was and is still actually bearish based off of order flow and structure. So that was something that I was kind of trading against the 4 hour order flow, and also the 1 hour order flow. When I got in this trade, this candle hadn't closed yet, this 1 hour candle, so we were actually still bearish technically on the 1 hour. Again, nice sweep on the 1 hour here as well with a nice reaction. So as far as order flow is concerned, the weekly, the daily, was the 15-minute on my side at this point. Yep, the 15-minute was bullish as well. So I had order flow was somewhat mixed, but it was good enough to enter if I saw my model. And then the real reason I like this trade was because of these equal highs here. We had this wick, right? Equal highs. We came back into a 15-minute fair value gap / inversion fair value gap. On the 1 minute, we have this sweep as well, the sweep of these lows. And then you can see I got in off of this inversion fair value gap here. Once we broke above with this candle tapped me in off my limit order when we came back down into this inversion fair value gap. And then we kind of chopped around for a few minutes before going higher. And that was the setup. I put my stop underneath the low, take profit at a few points above the equal highs here, and that was the setup. Obviously, it went for a few more points than where my take profit was, but I was comfortable with this as my take profit, especially because order flow was a little bit. I like to aim for nearby liquidity regardless, but order flow not being fully on my side, right? 1 hour and 4 hour not being on my side, I figured this would be best. And yeah, so that was the trade. Let me show the executions real fast. Is this the right? No, it's the wrong one. Well, why is it showing it as the right one? Okay, I guess it's not gonna let me pull up that tab. Hello? Wait, let's try now. There we go. Okay. Yeah, so this is the actual execution. I got in for only one contract because 2 contracts would have been a little bit over 250, which again, could I have done that? Sure, but it's a little bit over my 0.5% risk that I like to hold. So just had one contract on this. We'll see how tomorrow price action is. I'm only going to trade the AM session like normal on a Friday. Because it's going to be a long weekend, we'll see. I'm going to be pretty cautious on entering unless I see something I really like. And yeah, that's where we're at. So good trade today, and yeah.